You wake before the light reaches the horizon, because the cold never truly lets you sleep. Your breath freezes in the air. Your fingers ache before you even move. This is the Ice Age. 20,000 years ago, vast sheets of ice covered much of the Earth. Entire regions were buried under glaciers. Forests disappeared. Rivers froze solid. But survival was not about understanding climate. It was about surviving the day. Morning begins with the fire. If the fire died during the night, someone may not wake up. Wood is rare. Every piece is precious. The tribe is small, including children, elders, and younger ones. None of them have eaten since yesterday. The strongest men and women check their tools: stone, tipped spears, sharpened blades, animal hide bindings. Clothing is stitched from fur. Still not enough. Then the walk begins. Across frozen plains, the wind never stops. It cuts through fur and burns exposed skin. Every step strains energy. You follow tracks in snow, reindeer, bison, sometimes mammoth, but animals move constantly. If you fail to find them, you burn calories you cannot replace, and hunger grows louder. By midday, fingers are numb, the body grows weak. Then you see movement in the distance, a small herd. The tribe spreads out carefully, and the attack is quick. Sometimes the hunt succeeds, sometimes it fails. When it fails, no one speaks on the walk back, because failure means children sleep hungry. When it succeeds, there is no celebration. The animal is butchered immediately, meat divided carefully and saved for later, bones kept for tools. After eating, the tribe does not rest. Stone tools are shaped and sharpened, hides are repaired, clothing stitched again. Children learn by watching how to start a fire with frozen fingers, because childhood is short in the Ice Age and survival must be learned early. Then comes the search for shelter. Caves are preferred when found. If not, temporary shelters are built from wood, bone, and hides. Warmth is shared because closeness means survival. At night, food is shared carefully. Children eat first, hunters next, and the weakest last. No one overeats because sometimes there may be no hunt tomorrow. Stories are told at night, not for entertainment, but for memory and identity, to remind the tribe who they are. Predators roam, wolves follow at a distance, cave lions hunt silently, hyenas circle when weakness is sensed. The tribe sleeps in shifts. Someone must always watch, because darkness hides more than cold. The tribe moves south when possible, following animals and following signs of slightly warmer ground. Migration is dangerous. Crossing frozen rivers risks cracking ice, but staying still is worse than starvation. Over years, humans adapt, tools improve, fire-making techniques more reliable. Cooperation becomes instinct. No one survives alone, because, in this world, selfishness kills. Many did not survive. Entire groups vanished. Storms buried camps. Hunts went wrong. Illness spread with no cure. The Ice Age erased bloodlines we will never know. But some endured. They learned patterns, animal migration routes, seasonal shifts, safe caves. They adapted not because they were stronger, but because they refused to stop moving. They lived like this for thousands of years. Every civilization that came later, every empire, every city, every invention exists because small tribes survived days of hunger, nights of freezing wind, and a world that gave them nothing freely. The Ice Age did not make humans powerful. It made them resilient. It did not give them dominance. It gave them endurance. And maybe that is the quiet truth of our species. We were not meant to rule the earth. We were simply the ones who endured it.